absolute glorious morning, as it often is here in St. Petersburg, Florida. Not bad for a late October afternoon. I'm starting my day with this beautiful THC infused porridge. So last night I made some edibles, some chocolates with my homegirl Natty Kush, and I discovered the bowl today sitting on the counter. So I scraped up about a tablespoon of our infused chocolate and I integrated it into my porridge. Now I think it has about 10 milligrams of THC in it. So I am going to eat this beauty and see how it makes me feel. I work for myself, so you know what? I can have cannabis for breakfast and ain't nobody gonna stop me. Stay tuned for the results.